Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikate and in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to delete all your Facebook posts at once. Now let's get into the video. First of all, on your device, launch the Facebook app and in here, make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, to delete all your Facebook posts, now first of all, tap on three-line icon that you see on the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on that, now again tap on settings icon and then in here, scroll all the way down and in your information section, you will see activity log. Tap on activity log and then again in here tap on your activity across Facebook. Once you tap on there, again you will get menu loaded. There tap on post and again tap on your post, check in photos and videos. Once you tap on there, here you will get all your posts on your Facebook account and in here select the one that you want to delete. If you want to delete a single post, tap on three dot icon that you will see at that post, tap on move to trash and then that post will move to the trash. If you want to select all of your posts, simply tap on the all option and select all your posts and then tap on trash from the bottom of your screen and again tap on move to trash. Now once your posts have been moved to trash, we have to delete that from trash as well. Now again tap on trash from the top of your screen and in here you will see all your posts that you have recently added to trash. Now in order to delete that from trash, again select them all and at the bottom of your screen tap on three dot icon and then in there tap on delete and again tap on delete and now for the confirmation provide your password and then tap and submit. Once you're done with that, you have successfully deleted all your posts at once on the Facebook. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.